Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical air fryer, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from air fryer, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air fryers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ninja DualZone XL2 Basket Independent Air Fryer. The Ninja DualZone XL2 Basket Independent Air Fryer is perfect for busy kitchens. With its innovative DualZone technology, you can cook 2 different foods at once at different temperatures and times. Whether you're preparing crispy fries, juicy chicken, or roasted vegetables, this air fryer delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. With a 10-quart capacity, you can cook for the whole family, and the easy-to-use digital controls ensure precise cooking. It also features a smart finish feature, allowing both baskets to finish cooking simultaneously. The non-stick baskets are easy to clean, making this air fryer both efficient and convenient for any kitchen. The Ninja DualZone XL is ideal for healthier, oil-free cooking without sacrificing flavor. Upgrade your cooking experience with this versatile and powerful air fryer. Perfect for family meals, snacks, and more. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 Functions Air Fry. The Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1 Functions Air Fryer is the ultimate kitchen companion, offering versatility and ease in one compact, stylish design. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, broil, roast, and reheat with ease. Powered by Even Crisp technology, it delivers a perfect golden finish with crispy, tender results every time. The air fryer features one-tip smart programs for wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and more, making meal prep a breeze. With a temperature range of 120°F to 400°F and fast preheating, you can go from frozen to golden in just minutes. Cleanup is a snap with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray. The Instant Brands Connect app provides tons of recipes to inspire your cooking. This 6-quart air fryer is perfect for quick meals, side dishes, appetizers, and family servings. Add this kitchen must-have to your countertop and make cooking easier and more delicious. Number 3. Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. This 2024 new and improved model offers 12-in-1 versatility, with functions like air frying, baking, grilling, toasting, broiling, and more, all in one appliance. Featuring quick and even crisp technology and a 21 QT capacity, it cooks 3x faster and delivers 35% crispier results compared to other brands. The ultra-fast convection system ensures even cooking on multiple racks, eliminating temperature fluctuations. With a maximum temperature of 450°F and adjustable fan speeds, it gives you full control over your cooking process. The interactive digital display makes operation easy, while PFAS-free accessories guarantee safety for your family. Perfect for small kitchens or RVs, this air fryer toaster oven can handle everything from pizzas to roasted chicken. Experience faster, more efficient, and delicious cooking with the Nuwave Bravo Pro. Number 4. Chefman Digital Space-Saving Mini Air Fryer. The Chefman Digital Space-Saving Mini Air Fryer is your perfect solution for fast, healthy cooking in a compact design. With a 2-quart capacity and customizable temperature settings up to 400°F, this air fryer can cook your meals up to 3 times faster than an oven. Ideal for small servings, it uses little to no oil, providing crispy and healthy results with less fat. The shake reminder alerts you halfway through cooking to ensure an even crisp. Its space-saving design maximizes capacity while minimizing countertop clutter, making it perfect for small kitchens. After cooking, the non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Safety features include an automatic shutoff for added peace of mind. Whether you're cooking for 1 or 2, the Chefman Digital Mini Air Fryer brings convenience, health, and efficiency to your kitchen. Number 5. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer is a powerful 22-liter air fryer and multi-cooker combo that brings versatility to your kitchen. With 25 cooking presets like ribs, roast, pizza, slow cook, and more, You can easily prepare a variety of meals with just a touch of a button. The dual-speed fan and 360-degree superheated air circulation ensure your food is evenly cooked with a golden, crispy finish every time. Its 26-quart capacity allows you to cook for the whole family, from roasting a 6 lb chicken to baking a 12-inch pizza. The stainless steel exterior adds an elegant touch to your kitchen, while the French doors open with a single pull for easy access. Plus, with features like automatic shutoff, temperature control, and a timer, you get convenience and safety. Upgrade your cooking with the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.